Hey guys, have you heard of the camel and the 3,000 banana riddle? It goes a little something like this. You have a camel and 3,000 bananas. You need to transport the bananas 1,000 kilometers. The camel can carry at most 1,000 bananas at once, and the camel needs to eat one banana per kilometer. How many bananas can you transport the whole 1,000 kilometers? One approach is to throw 1,000 bananas on the camel and just have him start going for it. But the problem is every kilometer he goes, he's going to end up eating a banana, and so it's eventually going to go down to 0 bananas. So he can't just go all the way across. And even at this point, he can't make it back to the rest of the bananas because he has no bananas to give him the energy for the return trip. So this will not work. Let's start over and let's do the other extreme. Let's just go 1 kilometer at a time. So he brings 1,000 bananas, travels 1 kilometer. He ends up eating one of the bananas. So now he has 999 bananas. And he's going to leave 998 bananas at that 1 kilometer mark. And he's going to save himself 1 banana for the return trip. So then he grabs another 1,000 bananas, travels 1 kilometer. He has 999. He leaves another 998, keeps one for himself and goes back. So he does the same thing again, eats a banana, and he leaves 999. He has now traveled 1 kilometer and has 2,995 bananas. And we can speak generally that anytime this camel has 2,000 to 3,000 bananas that he needs to transport, it's going to take him 5 bananas for each kilometer. So now if he travels another kilometer, it's going to have taken him 5 more bananas, and then another, and each of these is taking away 5 bananas. And if we fast forward to 100 kilometers, he's going to end up eating 500 of the bananas, or 200 kilometers, he's going to end up eating 1,000 of the bananas. Let's find out how many bananas each kilometer will take now. So he has the 2,000 bananas, he borrows 1,000, he walks 1 kilometer, eats 1 banana, and leaves 998 there, and leaves 1 for himself for the return trip. And then he grabs the last of the 1,000 bananas, travels 1 kilometer and eats another banana, and then leaves all 999 to give us 1,997 at that 1 kilometer mark. So it ended up taking away 3 bananas to do this. So we can say that this camel, to move 1,000 to 2,000 bananas, it takes 3 bananas per kilometer doing this loop method. And as we keep traveling along, this is going to keep reducing by 3. So now let's jump ahead to 533 kilometers. We will have 1,001 bananas. And then with 1 banana, he can only go 1/3 of a kilometer. So it's going to be 533 and 1/3 kilometers. He's now at exactly 1,000 bananas. At this point, he no longer needs to loop back because he can carry all the bananas that he has. So we know that anywhere from 0 to 1,000 bananas is just 1 banana per kilometer. So we're just going to start eating bananas as he travels the rest of the way. So if he travels 100 kilometers, he's going to eat 100 bananas. And another 100 kilometers, another 100 bananas eaten. And he's going to keep doing that until he gets here. And let's go another 60 miles. So now we're at 995 and he has 538 bananas. Let's go another 4 miles. This will be 999 and 534. And now he just has 2/3 of a kilometer to go. So he's going to eat 2/3 of a banana, give him 533 and 1/3 bananas. And now he's gone the whole 1,000 kilometers. So that is the answer. The maximum number out of 3,000 bananas that this camel can deliver 1,000 kilometers is 533 and 1/3. And if you're measuring in whole bananas, 533 whole bananas. How exciting.